Hey there and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. In today's Technically Speaking article, Lance Roberts talks about the difficulty and danger of trying to predict what is going to happen next with the markets. And in it, he refers to this chart, which he sent out last week, showing some of the possibilities about what the market may do. And yeah, there's a lot of lines here, and I'm going to make it a little worse, but it comes down to three options. First is that the market will bounce off the 200 daily moving average and then bounce right back up and continue on its bullish way. Second option, that the market rebounds to the 100-day and then continues down south, maybe setting a new pattern along that 200 DMA. Or there is a third option. It would actually regain its footing around the 100 DMA and then bounce back up and maybe set on a new trend, maybe just going a little more horizontal. Now, Lance often hears from people who believe he's just hedging his bets, because if you predict that the markets are either going to climb or drop or hold steady, well, then you're never wrong. Of course, no one can really predict the future. A recent study involving economists, psychics, meteorologists find that it's the people who forecast the weather, believe it or not, that are the most accurate, and that's only when they are actually looking about 3 days ahead. And Punxsutawney Phil, after 4 nor'easters in a row, the famed groundhog is now wanted on a charge of deception. But when it comes to charts like this, it's not about making an accurate prediction, but rather set a plan for each of the conditions so you can make the moves needed to reduce your risk. So even though the market bounced off the 200 DMA, it's actually tanking below as we speak. And it's now below the accelerated and bullish trend lines, which confirms both sets of these sell signals. So what should happen next? Well, Lance's suggestion is to reduce your exposure. Move some, not all, of your money into cash while keeping your bonds steady. Now, that's not much of a move, but portfolio management is about making small adjustments until there is more confidence and more certainty about what is to come. Now, if you want to read more of Lance's analysis and take a closer look at these charts, and you know you do, you can actually find them at realinvestmentadvice.com. In the meantime, thank you so very much for watching. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube page. I'm Mike O'Neill. We'll see you again tomorrow morning.